Theatre lovers will no longer be able to buy tickets for an iconic Canadian musical that's been running for years. Mirvish Productions has permanently closed Come From Away in Toronto. Manisa Danabalan has the story and reaction.
Closing the curtain for good.
So here we are now, canceling a show that was among the most successful ever done in Canada.
It's heartbreaking for performers and theatre lovers.
It's a huge symbol for our industry, and Canada doesn't have its own Broadway, and this would be the equivalent to it. So to see that it is closing and not reopening is just like a huge symbol that nothing is safe.
And a hard goodbye for members of the production. A writer of Come From Away posted on Twitter saying there's no words to soften the blow of our Toronto production needing to close permanently because of this virus. After 21 months, the show reopened on December 15th. But a week later, they had to cancel 4 shows after a COVID-19 outbreak among the crew. Many people working in the theatre industry are afraid of what the future holds.
Broadway is potentially making it work right now, but I feel like they don't have these capacity restrictions that we have. Like, I understand why they're struggling financially to keep this afloat.
Right now, there are thousands of young people studying theater. Many of them are probably thinking, is there a future for me? Should I study something else? If we lose these people, we will lose the theater.
The director of communications at Mirvish Productions says he's frustrated that the Canadian government isn't doing enough to help the industry, like in the UK and Australia.
They've offered productions a financial safety net, meaning if shows start to lose money, the government will support them to the point of breaking even. So we don't have such a financial safety net.
Artists leaving the industry is my biggest concern, frankly.
Tim Jennings from the Shaw Festival in Niagara-on-the-Lake is hoping artists can get some kind of financial aid.
This tourism and hospitality recovery program, if the federal government were to include in the wage subsidies of that program gig workers, artists, musicians, actors, and I think that would actually let a lot of people, including the commercial theater sector, try to figure out new ways to try things.